everyone, it's Neil and welcome back to my house here, and I have the Wisely, and this one here, it's another one in the script box. If you can see, it's a slightly bigger than the last one I reviewed because this one here is like the same kind of thing, but it's got a light on it. So this is a bug zapper that has a light on it as well. So it's more fully featured. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like here. We'll open it up together, maybe. So if I open it up this way, you see it comes with 3. I like the way their products come with 3 of these things at once. And so this is one of the boxes. Just take out one of the 3, make sure they're all the same. And we'll take it out of the box here. And here we go, box empty. And it comes with a charging cable, which is USB-C, which is nice. Nice new technology. And then this is the light. If you saw the one I had before, it was this one here. So this one here doesn't have a light on the bottom of it. Instead it has a solar panel, which is cool because then it'll solar charge. So during the day you can put it like this, and then at night like that to bug zap. But this one here, I imagine it's only chargeable through the USB-C, which is good too. And it has a light on the bottom. So let's check it out. So this is the charging port right there. So that one, it's got the nice little rubber cover for that. And then on here we have 2 buttons instead of 1. So this one here, the first button, if you push it, it's the light, and then you get 3 different levels of brightness, and you can see how bright it is. It's even brighter than my light that I have above my my phone right now to do this. So this is super bright. So this would be great like in a tent or something like that. And then if you push this one, I think you hold it down for 3 seconds. Let's see, am I holding it? Yep, there we go. And there it lights up blue. I don't know if you can see, it's lit up blue, which means now the zapper is on. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't wanna get zapped, but that's the bug zapper, so that's pretty cool. Actually, that one, it's like, on this one here, you can just push it one time to put it on and off. You don't have to hold this one down. The other one you had to hold down. And it's got the cool little hook here, so you can hook it right there, or you can open this up that way, and then it connects onto like a rope or tent wire or something like that. So this is cool because this one would be perfect like inside of a tent. So you can put that on there so you can have light when you want it, and you can have the bug zapper going too. So this one here is super cool. I even put these around outside the campground. So between these 2, I have nice 6. I'm gonna give myself a huge perimeter between 3 that have light and 3 that don't, and I'm gonna be super bug protected is my plan when I go camping. I don't want to kill everything in the environment, but definitely mosquitoes. So that's pretty cool. So I really like this, and it seems super durable. I know to wash these things, to clean them out when they get full of bugs, you turn it off and just rinse it with the water. And it's super good. I don't think you'll ever have to replace the bulb because it's LED. And it's pretty cool. It's by Wisely. And let me see if there's some instructions I can show you guys. I can hold up the instructions so you guys can see how it goes. This is the, see if you pause it and zoom in, I guess, if you ever need to see how anything works. But for the most part, just the Type-C charging port, and it kills the mosquitoes. And you've got the mosquito lantern and charging it with batteries. Very cool. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure when you're washing it that the port is closed so you don't get water in your USB-C port. But this is really awesome. I can't wait to give this thing a try and get out there and camp. I'm going to Florida this afternoon. I think I'm gonna take one of these things and give it a try out there. I'm in Texas, but Texas is definitely buggy here too. So this is where we camp, and this is where I'm usually at. But I might just take one there just for fun for the weekend out by the pool and see if it catches some bugs. I'll update in the description or comments below if I have anything to say about it, but for the most part, I'm giving this thing a thumbs up from me. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more reviews soon, and the link for this to the Wisely website is in the description below. Thank you, bye.